Hi, my name is Louie, and today I've got
Damon with Premier RV.
another good one today, a little shorty.
Why, I love these little NewAires.
Yeah.
They're great coaches for starters or people that have had 45 footers and they want to downsize but still RV. Very cool coach.
Yeah, super nice with that comfort steer. That's really nice too. These things turn on a dime, so.
Yeah. Yep, independent front suspension.
So what do we got? We got a 2018.
2018 3343 is the floor plan. Newmar NewAire. 360 Cummins with how many miles?
This is shocking, 5,189 miles.
Yeah.
Hardly ever used. Smells brand new inside.
Yeah.
And the outside paint is like brand new, garage kept. And yeah, asking price is gonna be $219,999.
Yep.
And we're going to pull it up forward so you can get the full viewing, but this is a classic example of why buy new, right?
It is. Original owners are from Medford, home builders. They used it to do golfing in the state and went to Palm Springs maybe one time.
Yeah.
But yeah, why buy new? I mean, they ordered it with everything on it. There's heated tile, solar. I mean, we're going to get into all of that. So
Nice. So we have the build sheet?
we do.
Okay,
Yes.
so we could always email you the build sheet if you want to see all the items that were selected, but it sounds like everything was on there, so that's good.
412,000 new.
Hey,
So half price.
why buy new?
Yeah.
All right, let's pull it forward.
Okay.
Thanks. All right, Damon, where do you want to start?
How about the flagpole mount, Lou?
Yeah,
This thing's got every option on it, including the optional flagpole mount.
like you said, every single option on here.
Yeah.
Side view cameras,
Side view cameras.
360.
360 cameras.
That's pretty cool. I like that.
It is.
So is this one of the first years they did that?
Could be.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they probably started in 15 or 16. Maybe it was
All right.
16.
So yeah, but this is a 2018, so nice big entry door
Uh-huh.
with good steps, good storage right here.
Great lighting.
Good for gloves. Your fuel gloves, right, Damon?
Yeah, fuel.
Yeah. Good place for them. Flip flops.
There you go.
All right, got an entry door handle with entry door code here.
Yeah, keyless entry. All the awnings. It's got an entry door awning. It has 2 Gerards on the roof. The second one was an option, so this whole side is all patio. There's some Gerard window awnings and slide-out toppers.
We'll get those out here in a little bit with LED lights on them.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool, huh?
This color was Moonbeam, is what they called it at Newmar. So it's Moonbeam on the inside and outside. Dual fills, 75-gallon fuel tank. And then you've got your Xantrix inverter and the optional refrigerator freezer on a slide tray. Oh. Still got the manual in there. Those are original tires, Lou.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
There's no date code because they're on the inside.
Yep.
It's a Michelin, though, all the way around.
Good storage here.
Yeah, you got these cafe side hinge doors to get into the bulk of your bay storage with a bunch of trays. It looks like there's 3 of them.
Got some good manuals here too, and
Yeah.
some tire?
Tire covers. Those are Magnedyne sunscreen shades, still in the box because it has MCD shades on the inside of the motorhome, so those work really good, and you probably won't ever use those, but if you want them.
Roadmaster tow bar.
Yeah,
huh?
Roadmaster tow bar on a cover. Another short slide tray back there we'll get into when we get on the driver's side. That's the 3rd one.
And these have electric bay door locks on the front right when you walk in, right?
Yeah, there's a key there that'll unlock and lock all the bay doors.
Yep.
And then the outside entertainment center option.
And you were talking about this is on a Freightliner chassis with independent front suspension?
Yeah, it's got a pretty heavy 14.6 rated front IFS with disc brakes, 20,000 pound on the drive axle, so 34.6.
Yeah.
Pretty good gross vehicle weight for a shorter coach.
Yeah, great maneuverability, that's for sure.
Got the
50 years in business, huh?
Yeah. Got the frameless dual pane windows.
Boy, the paint is flawless.
Yeah.
So it's like brand new, so.
The booth makes into a bed, so that's the drop-in cushion to make that a bed.
Yep.
You got some controls for your awnings back in there. A little storage there with some antifreeze. And then your chassis batteries are up here. Battery disconnect. And this coach has an Air Force One braking system already plumbed into the rear of the motorhome. So you just need the car end.
Yeah.
This also has a stacked washer dryer that's vented to the outside.
Cranking batteries look pretty new.
Yeah, I think they're a year old.
Yeah.
And back here you got your 10,000 pound hitch. This is again the Air Force One Quick Connect. And your 7-way bargeman on the right. This little lever here opens the rear hood.
So we're going to have a side-mounted radiator, which is nice.
We are, yeah.
360 Cummins.
Nice and clean back here, no rust. Oregon coach.
Can't go wrong with that.
Nope.
Yeah, and garage, obviously, so super clean.
Beautiful rear cap. Got your camera right here by the engine, the hood, and air intake.
Yep.
Side radiator.
Def tank?
Is that DEF fluid? That's
Yeah.
not the windshield washer reservoir lube?
No. What's that? Looks like about 16 gallons maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you got your plumbing bay. So this coach will hold 75 gallons of fresh water, 60 gray, 40 black.
That's pretty good for a shorty, huh?
It is.
Yeah.
It's got your turbo macerator down here on the left, Lou.
You got to have that.
New water filter installed, 52225.
Water hose reel.
Rinse kits for black and gray.
And I like the digital display there for the
Yeah.
tank levels. That's nice. So yeah, very clean, very simple to operate.
If you're in the bathroom and you feel the need, you got to dump the tanks, you can open the emergency door, jump out, and you're right there. How's that?
Yeah.
If you do it at night, you got a light.
Oh, for Jack, that's a simple step, you know. That's just
That's
a
one
step down.
step,
I mean,
yeah. You don't
geez.
need a ladder, nothing.
No.
That's the 360 camera, side cameras, so there's one on each side in the front and back.
Yeah, Oasis. So
Hydronic heat.
Hydronic heat.
So diesel or electric, 50,000 BTUs. Unlimited hot water on diesel.
Pretty cool. This has all the high-end amenities that
does.
you expect. The NewAire, it's, I guess we talked about that before with the London Air.
Yeah.
It's in that
The Air.
echelon in the Air.
Yeah.
That's their topper, higher line stuff. So
Yeah, they're really cool coaches because they're short and they got roof-mounted awnings. They have that bus look.
yeah,
And all the features on the inside too. Very modern dash and interior.
radiant floor heat. And boy, so yeah,
Yep.
it's got every bell and whistle you'd ever imagine. So pretty cool.
Power cord reel, so you walk it out, power in. Central vac up here, Dirt Devil. There's that third tray.
Yep.
And then it has 8 maintenance-free AGM batteries on a slide tray.
Nice.
Your second fuel fill,
Any solar on the roof?
400 watts of solar. That was an option. They did that too.
Oh wow.
So yeah, it's got solar on the roof already.
This thing's ready to go.
I don't know what you'd add to it.
Yeah. Nothing.
It's got a Starlink on the roof.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
So-
What else do you need?
I don't
Yeah.
know what you could do. Front run bay, all your chassis fuses, breakers, brain boxes, and generator door release.
Nice and clean. Could have lunch there. We're gonna have a big number here, huh?
Yeah. We're gonna have
27 hours on the generator.
8,000 owned and quiet diesel.
Recently serviced too.
May 23, 25.
So, boy,
Yep.
yeah, this thing is amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, pretty flawless. I give the paint really high score. The windshield is in excellent condition.
Mm-hmm.
Overall paint everywhere is really nice.
There's not even a rock chip on it. I mean, it's beautiful. Nice large chrome mirrors.
Yeah, I like these big heavy-duty wipers too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these coaches drive really well with the shades here too, which is nice. So,
Windshield's glued in, just like a country coach.
yeah,
Got the urethane on it.
give them that nice, clean, high-end look.
Yeah.
That's part of the Air package, huh?
There's the front camera for the 360.
First, we got to show the awnings. So,
Yeah. Those are Gerards. They come out 10 feet. Simple remote operates them. You can stop it at any time. So if there's a tree or a tight spot, you don't have to put them all the way out.
fabric's in great condition.
Yeah.
LED lights. You got the a little bling. So great for the patio. Lots of coverage.
Yeah.
They come down nice and low, which is good.
I mean, this is a 33 foot, so there's probably 25 feet of awning.
And they do have the wind sensors on them.
Mm-hmm.
So the wind picks up, they'll come in automatically.
Yep.
But if you leave the coach, we always tell you, just bring them in.
Bring them in.
So
And last night we had a little hurricane go through here, and that's another good time to bring your slide rooms in and not take any chances. So
yeah, we had 60-mile-an-hour winds here and lots of rain. So
yeah, some guy by my house said he had 81 on his
wow,
recorded 81-mile-an-hour gusts. So it was pretty windy.
pretty weird, and it's like 60 degrees here. So
Yeah, tomorrow too.
so
Pineapple Express, Lou.
they can't say that anymore.
Oh,
It's
okay, I'll just stick with
atmospheric pressure or something, whatever they call
hurricane.
it.
Is that okay?
Yeah. You're a Hawaiian, so what's up with you can't say Hawaiian? Is that
I can, because I grew up in Hawaii, so I can say Pineapple Express.
yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, you're not offended by
No,
any.
I'm not offended.
I don't know if that was a swinger thing or whatever.
Swinger. Jeez.
The pineapples.
You lost
You were
me
telling me about that earlier about upside down pineapples and stuff.
Huh?
Come
Oh,
on.
I think you had one in your house or something.
No. No. All right. Well, let's
get
go
in.
inside. We better go inside. All right. What do you think, Damon? I'd love the interior colors on this one.
Can't tell anyone's ever stepped foot in it.
No, no bad smells whatsoever. Smells brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What's the name of the wood there?
Bermuda glazed maple.
Wow, done your homework. Good
Yeah.
job, boy. All right, should we talk a little bit about the digital dash?
Yeah, I mean the whole dash. It's very modern, and they call it a glass dash. You got your backup camera, stereo, all your gauges. The odometer is right down here in the corner, 5190.3. It's a silverleaf dash, and the controls are over here for that. Comfort drive. You got a phone charging station up here. Remote mirrors and heat here. And then light switches, battery boost, cup holder, engine brake, power window. Your shifter and your HWH leveling jacks. Seats have heat, and they're in great condition, as they should be, with only 5,100 miles.
Yeah, when I parked it, I really liked the 360 system. That was pretty cool. So
Yeah,
gives you no excuses to hit anything.
yeah, you can see everything around you.
Yeah, but no, I like the seating. I like the dinette booth with the televator here.
Mm-hmm.
This does make into a bed. We showed you the cushion outside earlier, so this makes into a hide-a-bed.
Hide-a-bed, that was an option. So jackknife was standard, hide-a-bed was the option.
So good sleeping for the kids or grandkids or whatever. Radiant floor heat, which is awesome.
Yep.
So you have your primary heating system, which is,
Oasis, hydronic heat.
And then you have heat pumps.
15,000 BTU, two of them.
And then this would only work if you're plugged into 50 amps or have the generator running.
Yep.
So.
But it's nice to walk around on a warm floor.
And it's not water, it's electric mat.
It is
right?
electric under under the tile and the mortar.
Good clarification there. All right, so what do we got here? We got a sound bar with some, maybe a Blu-ray player or something. Yep.
Yeah.
Lots of outlets, I noticed.
Yeah, lots of outlets, nice big kitchen window, multiplex lighting, pantry behind Jack there, floor to ceiling.
Yeah.
Quite a bit of storage for a 33-foot.
Most definitely. And actually not too bad size of a kitchen.
Yeah.
We're going to have a true induction cooktop here.
Yeah, this is all electric. Got a massive stainless steel sink, all one piece.
I like that.
Little garbage can, roll out.
Look at these nice drawers. Full extension hardware, which is nice. So good storage, huh?
Yeah. All the overheads throughout the living room, above the booth, sofa, and kitchen.
Residential refrigerator, which is nice. Making ice.
Jack, come back here and see if you can zoom in on this. There's a label back here. It's the weight label for the motorhome, and it shows this coach to have 5,800 and some change net carrying capacity. So almost 3 tons of payload on a 33-foot coach, which is pretty.
And even with the residential refrigerator, you still got a nice pantry here.
Yeah, it's a great floor plan. They really balance the space in every room.
And these are adjustable with these pegs right here, which is nice. So, but boy, that's hard to do with a pantry, residential refrigerator. You know, 3 slides, 33 feet. That's pretty.
Yeah.
So very thought out floor plan. Good size shower. Good storage in the bathroom too.
These are really nice, these Silverleaf touch panels. They're hard to screw up, so you can hit generator and start and stop it right here. Climate, it's your air conditioning. You can run the Oasis. Floor heat. So they have it separated into 3 zones because the bedroom is all tile too. There's no carpet in the bedroom. And you can look at your AC power, DC power. Really a nice setup.
Central vac system too.
Yeah, right down here.
We got a queen size bed back here. Kind of cool how they did the curved ceiling thing here to give it a little bit more height, huh, Damon?
Yeah.
And it kind of resembles a little bit of an Airstream theme going on here, huh? With the
Yeah, these will slide open to access the window. And the shades down.
that's pretty cool.
And you have a little bit of storage up here. It all counts.
And you got your big wardrobe back here.
And that was an option in the back, that inset extra storage shelving.
Yep. And on the far side, we're going to have a safe here, which is nice. So lots of hanging. And a stacked washer dryer. This thing's got every bell and whistle you ever imagined, huh?
It does. I don't know what you could add to it.
Well, they added Starlink, so you don't need that. They have solar. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
Just bring yourself. This thing's ready to go.
it is.
All right, appreciate watching the video. Hit the subscribe button.
It's free. Thank you.
Thanks.